Perceptual learning in speech. Do listeners use knowledge about words in the perceptual learning of speech sounds? To study this, Dutch speakers were asked to judge whether or not the sound they heard was a word or a non-word. Critical words ended in a fricative sound. However, final fricatives were sometimes replaced by an ambiguous sound. That is, a sound with a frequency between f and s was used at the end of a word. Two groups of Dutch speakers were tested. The first group was presented with words in Dutch that should end in F. However, the words were manipulated so that the F final sound was ambiguous or not clear. They also heard a word that ended in the fricative S, which had not been changed. The second group had the opposite conditions. That is, the F sound was unchanged and the S sound was made more ambiguous. Did the listeners in Group 1 categorize ambiguous sounds as well as the listeners in Group 2? What would the results say about how we categorize speech sounds? The authors suggest that lexical information can be used to categorize ambiguous sounds. This could mean that the perception of speech sound can be informed by our knowledge about words.